Alright, let's go ahead and analyze cases for 100,000. So we are gonna do a same thing as we have been doing here for 100,000 cases as well. So there I'm gonna put there 100,000. Then we have there 100,000. Then there we have 100,000. And there is one more zero there. And yes, we are gonna put some more zeros there, and it's here, and then finally we are gonna put it here. Let's go ahead and see the countries which have at least 100,000 cases. So these are the countries which have at least 100,000 cases of the coronavirus. So there is a linear growth in the cases of United States. Then there is the growth rate in the Russia. We have been also seeing there. Russia has the cases has been increased Russia drastically in recent time. And then we have here under other countries as well, like Spain, we have Italy, Germany, and France, and all those countries. And interestingly, you see there we do not have any Chinese here. This coronavirus originated from China, but we do not have any Chinese, any Chinese province or China as a country itself in these 100,000 cases. If you want to isolate some traces here, you need to double click here. Once you double click there on this trace, let me see how you can get those. Sorry. That should come actually with the double click. We have removed this one. Alright, so these are the countries which currently we are having. Anyway, so with the double click, we should see some particular countries. Yes. Alright. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, I'll show you how you can do a tree map analysis. Bye bye. Take care. I'll see you in next lesson.